just trying to get used to Florida and this team and the new bike and everything, and it's been fun so far. Bike's unreal, team's great, so yeah, so far it's been good. I'm excited to go racing. It's been a change getting used to riding with so many guys during the week. We have basically scrimmages every single day, so it's yeah, it gets gnarly. Like the heat of boot camp, in the thick of it, it was no, it was pretty exhausting. Every day you show up is like race day, and I mean, that's why this team's so good, because like iron sharpens iron. But that was probably the hardest thing to get used to for me. I mean, I'd say my biggest competition is my teammate Hayden. I mean, he's really solidified himself as the guy in the 250 class right now. I mean, he hasn't won a title in the Supercross championship yet, so I know he's going to be coming out swinging for that this year. Guys like RJ, Levi, VL, like, they're going to be heavy hitters. I mean, I'm probably leaving a couple guys out too. I mean, there's always sleepers that show up to round one and really surprise you. So I don't know. It's hard focusing in on somebody in particular. I more so just like to worry about myself, and it has been nice getting to ride with Hayden, because I've been getting to feel that race pace and what it really looks like. So yeah, it's been good so far. I remember my rookie year, it was pretty it was overwhelming. I mean, I've never experienced anything like that, and like you said, all the amateur kids coming up now, they're gonna get their taste of it soon. It's pretty crazy being on a full gate of 22 guys with close to a full stadium in places like A1. I mean, that probably has the most hype of any other race out of the whole year, and yeah, you get so many people there. It's nuts. But lining up on A1 is like unlike anything else. You know, it's hard to explain. I mean, it's definitely hard. It's hard to really block that out, if that makes sense, you know.